Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.
Oh, yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music lab. This time not with a reaction, actually a music update, a sad music update at that. If you don't know by now, sadly, Trinidad artist Plumpy Boss apparently is in critical condition after getting shot up in St. Maarten. You see me, I say it's a crazy situation. You see me, I say sad news. You see me, we don't want to hear nothing like that. We know that the artists them in a beef and them always talking about being in beef and them thing there, but we really don't want to hear nobody get hurt and nobody dead. You see me, I say we don't want to hear them things about. Apparently, Plumpy was get shot up in St. Maarten. I think it happened either earlier this morning or the day before. You see me, I say. So we're gonna get more information right now. We're gonna check out this video from Rise TV. You see me, Rise Entertainment. Go check him out. Really dope channel. Got great music updates and stuff over there, so you can definitely go check out him channel, gang. So we'll check out this video, get some more information on out there. Let's get it.
News just in. Plumpy Boss allegedly not so much in a proper condition right now, my people. You understand? Yeah, man, we get some news, we get some.
I know, man, that's sad for you. That's Plumpy Boss, a bad artist, you know?
Some updates and people. This information would allege that the artist nah do good right now inside whichever hospital or healthcare place him there. You see me, I say? Now, me have this figure, you know, as well as Kman 6ix reaction to what happened to Plumpy Boss and his, entourage members, and also 6 Dan Tyson reaction after all of this go down. You see me? So people, we have some things to go and hit through, a number of things to go and get through. So do the right thing. Leave a like on the video. And if you appreciate the content,
yeah, man, people, definitely go check out Rise TV. You see me? I like him video, and you see me, I say, dog, a great update, so a big up Rise.
and subscribe and hit the bell. Alright, so people, news I receive right now, you understand, is that the law enforcement in St. Maarten is still investigating the whole thing. What happened? You understand?
Them looking.
Of course, same incident.
Make sure you watch it as well.
That got 5 people injured. It is reported that it happened around 4:10 a.m. So you know, say that well early in the morning.
Early in the morning, like I say, gang, yeah, man, early in 4:10, dog, early in the morning.
You see me, not even 5 o'clock yet. And this happened following a concert at a local spot. The victims are artists and a few entourage members. Now, people among
Artists and entourage members, so a couple of dogs and get kind of look like.
the entourage members, a few members, one victim, the main artist, which is Plumpy Boss, I would assume, since Plumpy Boss is the main artist. Now, people, watch
Plumpy Boss
this.
is definitely me an artist. As I say, other than Kman 6ix right now, Plumpy Boss is the biggest artist. Plumpy Boss and Kman 6ix is the biggest artist. Trinidad artist, I would say. You see what I say? Yeah.
4 others, because it's been reported.
Other than Prince Wani and Byron and you see me, I say, 'cause they already got the break. But right now, that's still in Trinidad. Yeah.
That 4 others, other than the main artists, because they never disclose any names and say, alright then, Plumpy Boss, and then rate it. Them say the main artist. So they must say 4 others, including 1 female, is in serious but stable condition. You see me, I say? However, the main artist.
Sad for you that say woman get kind of, but the woman, some of these girls be involved in crazy stuff, but damn, man, these men.
Is in critical condition. You see me? That are the news that's alleged, that's reported, what we get right now. You see me? I've seen the news being posted on Instagram, and that is why I say alleged. So maybe we'll have to check with some, St. Maarten reporting pages or media pages to see if the information correspond. So let me just say quickly that I checked on Google and the information is corresponding right now. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Not good news as it relates to what we are getting right now, because at first I didn't even think Plumpy Boss or, you know, the main artist did get it. But little after we are here say it's alleged that him get it, and now we are receive even a next alleged information that him no so proper. Me see even someone said in a comment section that him better watch him back and pray, because even the people him, you know, some of the people him in the hospital are 6. Yo, me have to say, yo, them people here now
What? Yo, it's crazy. 6 is real, I guess. You see what I'm saying?
have no cool, because the situation is so serious, and you are here saying that you better watch your back and pray, cause all the doctor them are 6. Judge know. But people, as I say for right now, this is not good news, because we hear say 4 people, including 1 female, other than the main artist, you know, basically better, you know, as we hear my report, critical but stable condition. But the main artist is in critical condition. You see me? I'll keep you guys updated on that. But right here, so from Kman,
Crazy, bro.
when men me 1,000 men gone live, boasting and bragging, a man make a whole song with a video and drop it the day after. This life is not fair. Hence the reason why you never laugh at another man's downfall. And right over here, so we can see from Tyson, the real lash
At least, you know, came on now make fun of him, man. You know what I'm saying?
up must brain, and he had a Plumpy Boss song on the screen, as well as some other posts you're seeing them right now. You understand? Yeah, man. 6 Dan Tyson.
So let me know what you think in the comments section, gang. What do you know? If y'all know any information, do you have does it look good for Plumpy right now? Is me I say? Is he feeling better? He like, and even if him recover, what kind of, you know, what quality of life do you think he's gonna have? You see me I say? Do you think he'll still be able to DJ and sing and perform on them thing there? You see me I say that? It's crazy. You don't know, man. We gotta wait and see, yo. It's crazy.
Has been even saying them badness, local man badness, global. You see me? Yeah, man. So people, what do you guys think Tyson is trying to say there? Do you think Tyson is trying to say that you don't know them badness are just Trinidad badness? You see me? Full badness, Trinidad, Jamaica, all over the place. Some different small island and country and some style and some style. You see me?
I ain't gonna lie, the 6 is bigger. But I hear like the 7 more powerful in Trinidad. I don't know. That's what I hear. I don't know what's going on. But I hear like the 6 bigger. You know what I'm saying? 6 all over. You see what I'm saying? But the 7 more, like the 7 they active on Trinidad. Like they got it. Like, so I don't know.
I guess that would indicate that 6 Dan I try to say, yo, nobody feel like say, yo, you got St. Maarten and feel like say, yo, alright then, you're out of the red
Man,
zone.
need us to focus
You
on
see me?
music.
Yeah, man, Tyson I say, yo, no matter where you go, it's because of badness,
Man, need to
global.
focus on music. You know, a Plumpy Boss and a Kman 6ix, so that was it. You see me, Plumpy Boss and Squash and them, man. All that man, them need to collab, make Trinidad music get bigger. You see me, a Trinidad music, we are pushing up Trinidad music, but you know, yeah, man. Trinidad music, but the man they at the forefront, I think, and the man in my war road. Even if we not clash in the music, bro, don't war in a real life. You see me, war upon the music, man.
Just make sure say you watch your back 24/7, even if you're not in Trinidad. You see me? But people, as I've stated, you don't know, I just wish the violence, you know, would stop, because Jano, it's not a good look.
I know Skeng, you know, Skeng need to go chill out, you know. You see me, that's how I say Skeng need to bill. That me I tell you. You see me I say. Yeah man, cause what they Skeng do a song with Plumpy. What they Skeng do a song with Plumpy Boss, man. We just reacted to the song from Plumpy Boss and I know this, that. This is crazy, man. This is crazy.
Seeing this happen, and hearing this information from even good sources in St. Maarten that the main artist is not so proper right now, wanna think, like this ongoing thing is the reason why this will never stop, because when one side get the chance for come so put them foot down, be a man and say, oh, we're gonna stop, we're gonna end this cycle, they don't. They just feed into it, they continue to fight fire with fire, making it worse. And because of that, things like we're gonna have to get you back or reprisal, stuff like that, it's always the next move. It's always the motive, you see me? Yeah, man. So people, I just wish them would, come to the realization that this cycle is just, make no sense, because a one life everybody have, and it no matter how bad you is. A man will join the badness yesterday, a rookie or a newbie can take your 3 points. It no matter how far up the ladder you're there or how far in the rankings you're there. You are just another man. You see me?
That's true.
And if people...
That's facts, right? Rise spitting right now.
But I feel like, say, if people realize them things, properly, come to the realization of these facts, they would, not feed into stuff like this, because it would be, come off as total nonsense. You see me? Yeah, man, so people just make me know to think about this. You understand? We are receiving news, as I've stated that.
But yeah, man, gang, let me know one thing about this in the comment section. You see me, I say, definitely go check it out on Rise channel. Check out the entire video. You see me, I'm in here for now, but here's the situation. Sorry for you, that was Plumpy boss. You see me, all of the artists, them, all of the gangs and whatever is going on, just stay to the music, really. You see me, I say, when it come to the artists, them, I report news, but whatever is going on, open man, them can, you see me, come call a truce or something, or come to peace and just kill all that violence, man. Put that shit on wax. You see me, I say, put that shit on wax, man. You see me, I say, go DJ, want to see us on tune, clash. With a love for your collab, really, collab more here, really, But if you don't want to collab, clash. You see me, I say, yeah, throw some tune, man. Drop some diss track. Keep it there, so. And no violence. You see me, I say, but anyway, gang, you know anything about that in the comment section. You see me? I like it. Definitely go show the artists all over and support. Make you know, say, yo, Jambisco, that's send them up. You see me, I say, yeah, wait. Wrong thing. I thought I was doing a reaction. Yeah, go check out Rise TV. Check out his videos, man. He got great information and news over there. Real dope channel. You know, say Jambisco send you over there, man. Yeah, you got some news and updates over there. Y'all gonna like it. But yeah, sad news, man. Condolences to the family. Send me prayers for Plumpy boss and everybody involved. I already know what time it is, gang. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.